In Chapter 1 of his book, The Telltale Brain, Ramachandran uses phantom limbs to discuss the plasticity of the human brain. He described the phenomenon of tactile sense, felt where the arm should be in an amputee. He then discussed that depending on the way the paralysis of the arm was, or the position the arm was when it was amputated, that people with amputees could actually feel pain from their old arm in their phantom limb. He used a mirror box experiment to help these patients resolve their pain. Ramachandran fashioned a box with a mirror that would essentially give an amputee the appearance of a second arm. This was clinically proven to eliminate pain or cramping experienced in the phantom limb because the synapses in the brain began to think that the phantom limb was the perceived arm that they were seeing. Using evidence from this study, Ramachandran began to make claims about the plasticity of the brain. He basically said that the roadmap that comprises the human brain is not concrete. The connecting synapses are able to move throughout the brain and operate and adapt to situations at an astonishingly fast rate. Ramachandran uses the human brain's plasticity to explain why the species as a whole is more advanced than apes. While like humans, apes can feel phantom limbs, their synapses are not rapidly morphing like the brain connections in humans. The claim that apes can feel phantom limbs seems a little far-fetched to me. Throughout the book, thus far, Ramachandran has used evidence from clinical studies to support the claims he made. The evidence of the existence of phantom limbs comes solely from human testimony. We wouldn't know phantom limbs existed if humans wouldn't have reported having them. With that being said, who's to say that apes can indeed feel their phantom limbs? I understand and agree with Ramachandran's belief in the plasticity of the human brain. I do not, however, believe that Ramachandran would be able to make the claim that apes have phantom limbs without the unachievable testimony of an ape.